If you have limited RAM, keep lots of tabs open, or run other demanding programs while browsing, the Memory Saver feature in Helium Browser can help reduce memory usage and improve performance. To enable it, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Helium Browser and select Settings. In the left side menu, click Performance. Then, under the Memory section, you'll find the Memory Saver option. You can turn Memory Saver on or off with a single click. When it's enabled, you'll be able to choose between three modes: moderate, balanced, and maximum. Moderate is the least aggressive option and keeps more tabs active. Balance provides a mix of performance and memory savings. Maximum is the most aggressive setting and can free up the most RAM by putting inactive tabs to sleep sooner. If you ever want to change the settings, simply return to the same menu and select a different mode, or turn Memory Saver off completely. And that's how to use Memory Saver in Helium Browser. If you often have lots of tabs open or run demanding programs, it's worth trying the different Memory Saver modes to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial video.